Your first girl got her mucus on your best friend Lucas. In case you got amnesia, your second girl Felicia, who was no Mona Lisa, tried by all means to get in my jeans on Jerry's trampoline. And then for Sam you had to thank me, cause I said scram when she said spank me. Looking like an albino gorilla from the Congo, she wanted me to hit that hiney like a booty bongo. And you acted like you won the lotto when I said no to her guano grotto. So you should consider me your hero, cause I gave you my sloppy zero. Then Gabby tried to bite me and invite me to a strip show. She wanted a threesome, but to that combo I wasn't slow to say no. Then right away she let you go. Not enough dough or blow to stay a Romeo. And that's all I know about your grody ho rodeo. The worst thing I did behind your back was refuse your girl's advances. Your own mom thought I was a snack and tried to take her chances. I got offered oceans of promotions while at work, while you caused commotions when your emotions went berserk. Remember on the dock when you punched yourself in the head? Because to no one's shock she went after Billings instead. You said you'd knock him out and leave him for dead, while on the clock you should have watched what you said. All you did was mock and allow rumors to spread. Everything you had I took and made it look better. Skateboarding and Resident Evil and even that Walmart sweater. People ask if it's like a slap in the face when you're acting so rude. I tell them no matter what happens I'll be okay. No matter what happens you're screwed. We even made it our mission to ease your condition and tried to help you so hard for years. Now we'll fill the graveyard with cheers. Now that I'm done showing you a real brag, and knowing a Samoan might be going in a body bag. Unless I can inspire your priorities, you might expire prior to your 40s. Until you drop the meth, you're a breath away from death. You could exchange your derangement for a wife. All you gotta do is arrange some changes in your life. Take this rhyme as a sign that it's time to grow a spine. You won't pay a dime on a fine if at crime you'll draw the line. Being buried and never getting married is scary, but the only one that can save you now is you. It's just you, Harry. When all of the noise in your noggin is lie after lie, it's like you drank poison and expected someone else to die.